screwdriver. So if you have a Toyota key, which looks like this, now in this case this is a Lexus key, which obviously Lexus is a premium brand for Toyota, so if you have a normal Toyota key, this is also your key. You'll find that they're quite flimsy around this part and they break. In this case, the blade has come completely apart. You can see there's a little hole there where a screw is holding everything in place. Now they're quite common to break. Thankfully, there are replacements that you can order which look like this from eBay. In this case, it was £3.94 per a replacement blade and a plastic bit with it. And this is what it looks like when it's together. We put tape on the bottom of this because it's cracking as well. This is for a Lexus IS200, but does apply to any Toyota key. So we're going to see how we can take this and transport all the bits that make the key work into this hollow key that we just purchased off eBay. As you can see, there's normally a screw that's holding that in place, and the screw is a very small one like that. But in this case, ours is broken, so all I had to do is pry these two apart. You can see that this key is a spare key. It also houses this Lexus back side. The reason this is a spare key because it only has lock and unlock and does not have the trunk button like the normal ignition key has. But this is what you get when you open it up. This is the transponder unit inside it that your car recognizes when it opens. These keys, they come with a standard blade, the spare unit, and you can see the blade is integrated. Can't really open it and separate the blade. Bit of a strange one, but you can get them bladeless as well. This blade is quite old and it's kind of cracked on the top as well, so I ordered one with the blades in so that I can get the blades cut according to the vehicle. So it's fairly easy from now. So you have this transponder unit there, and you can see it corresponds with the buttons, the layouts in here, so it just fits in there quite nicely like that. And now you can see from the other side you have lock and unlock, and obviously a button missing for the trunk lid. That's okay because the button doesn't exist in the spare key anyway, and there's a release in the car, so that's not a big problem. But the great thing is that naturally when you put this other one on, you can see that it pretty much just clicks into place like so. I'm gonna try to click it into place. There we go. You heard that click and it's in place. You don't really need the screw. The plastic moldings are holding in place, but it's good to have the screw to actually, do it, to secure it even further. So we're going to pop the screw in and then see what it looks like. It's always useful to have like a miniature toolkit like this. This is like a proper one for a car with sockets in it as well. And you can see this tiny little Phillips head screwdriver. It's ideal for the tiny little, and they're magnetically charged as well, so they hold the screw. So now we have the screw in. We're just going to fasten the screw in using our miniature screwdriver. There we go, that's in. And now your blade is ready to be cut, and the car key after cutting would be ready to be used. Now if you buy one without it, if your blade is not cracked and you can use yours, then you can buy the plastic housing and not the blade, and then just replace it. So it's rather simple actually. Any Toyota key before 2006 that looks like this, you can do this replacement on. It's £3.90 as I said from eBay, and once you've done that, your old crappy key that's broken now looks virtually brand new. Hope this helps.